Welcome! We present you the Intercontinental City Stars, Cairo. Hello there! If you are here searching for a comfortable place to stay in Cairo, Egypt, you are in the right spot. We are here to share our complete experience and review of this featured hotel. By the way, we recently posted a video about our day trip in the pyramids of Giza in Cairo, Egypt, and it was a mix of excitement, awe-inspiring, and spine-tingling moments. You can watch the entire adventure through this link or at the end of the video. Plus, we'll share some tips and recommendations for your future layover or day trip to this incredible location. In alignment with that, we checked into the Intercontinental City Stars Cairo, a luxury hotel situated in the ancient city of Cairo. Today, we are here to provide you with a detailed review and assist those seeking excellent accommodations in Cairo. Our arrival at the hotel took place late night. The hotel is approximately 15 minutes away from the airport, and we opted for an Uber ride to reach it. As we approached the property, we were greeted by a grandeur of this hotel. Even with our tired bodies, we couldn't resist capturing clips of the beautiful interior. The lobby area of the hotel is expansive with high ceilings and a rich Egyptian cultural influence that exudes luxury. The intricate details throughout the building, complemented by lush trees and floral arrangements that are exceptionally beautiful. The indoor man-made fountain, with three figures reminiscent of the Great Sphinx, representing half human and half lion features, which immediately captivates you. The furnishings, although showing some signs of age, are well maintained and designed. Upon check-in, we were greeted for the excellent customer service. While such service is expected from any intercontinental brand, the initial impression left us pleasantly surprised. I mean, after our not-so-good experience in the airport, having a good experience as we checked in the hotel was amazing. Also, we were personally greeted and welcomed by the hotel manager, acknowledging our membership, a small but noteworthy touch of the impeccable service. The best part was that as savvy or smart travelers, often booking the most budget-friendly option, this time we booked the classic room. We received a generous upgrade to a one-bedroom suite. As of this day of recording, you can reserve the classic room for around 180 euros per night. The link for the rest of the room rates can be found in the description box below. Keep in mind that being part of IHG, upgrades like this can be subject to availability. But before diving into the specific suite details, let's have a quick room tour.
Show me life, show me love, make a change. Time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, show me life.
The suite features a separate living room and an additional powder room, offering plenty of space and quality amenities. It includes a mini kitchen with a microwave and a sink, even though we didn't use them. The minibar comes stocked with a kettle, instant coffee, tea bags, and complimentary bottled waters. There's also a mini fridge with various drinks and a small snacks available for purchase. The closet area is spacious, ideal for organizing your belongings during a more extended stay. Comfortable bathrobes and extra pillows are also included. The room also provides the standard amenities you'd expect from a major hotel chain. An iron and a board, a safe for your valuables, a hairdryer, and a room sleepers are also available. The bathroom boasts quality amenities such as good quality shampoo, conditioner, bar and liquid body soap, and even a separate bidet. This famous bidet that you can see mostly in Europe and maybe less familiar to some of my Asian friends out there. You know who you are, because we don't have any idea how to use it. The room decor exudes a regal ambience, somewhat akin to the experience of an Emirates airline. Feel free to let us know in the comments if you agree. The room also features a mini office and table, and of course, the Trouble Monkey's favorite spot, a comfortable bed.
Make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me love, show me love.
The following morning, we awoke to a sunny day and had the pleasure of appreciating the view from our room, offering a lovely vista of the hotel's poolside and the city skyline. Of course, we took advantage of the complimentary breakfast and indulged in the hotel's buffet. It featured a wide array of food options, including various bread types, local delicacies of course, hot dishes, cheese, cold cuts, salads, desserts, fresh juices, and more. While Arabic coffee is a regional favorite, we found it a bit strong for our taste. However, the staff were accommodating and provided extra cream, and the hotel also offered tasty delights and sweets available for purchase. And we made sure to be considerate of the privacy of other guests while capturing our experience. We set aside some time to explore the hotel's amenities, appreciating its artistic flair with numerous art pieces. Using the grand staircase, we ventured to the outdoor pool area, passing through a spacious hall adorned with impressive artwork. Stepping outside, we were greeted by the sun and the inviting outdoor restaurants, which featured well-thought-out concepts. The expansive outdoor pool itself was a major highlight, and our travel companion, the monkey, was eager to take a dip. A pool bar offered a variety of refreshing drinks and food options.
Put all your stuff away and check out for the day. There's no time to waste when it's 100 degrees. Burns under my feet. Won't you have a drink with me?
Returning to our room, we found it freshly clean, even though we were checking out later the same day. It was a nice gesture from the hotel, and for me, it's always nice feeling when you have a clean room. Next, we headed to the awe-inspiring pyramids of Giza. With the scorching sun outside, we made sure to take advantage of the pool to refresh ourselves before checking out. As our time was limited, before heading to the airport, we strolled over the City Stars Mall Heliopolis, conveniently adjacent to the hotel. The mall is modern, spacious complex with a wide range of brands and dining options. Intercontinental City Stars Cairo is part of the IHG Group, which offers various privileges. If you're interested in becoming a member, you can find the link in the description below. Please note that this is not a sponsored video. We, as always, cover all our expenses. And by the way, consider exploring the nearby attractions as follows. It's 1 hour from Basilica Church, the oldest church in Heliopolis, a half-day tour to the Egyptian Museum, another half-day tour to the Tour Old Cairo. 1 hour from the hotel, you can reach the Star Centers, and a half-day tour to the Pyramids of Giza, which we chose and explored. All this you will find from their website, which I added again in the description box. We chose this hotel after researching the best possible rates and to maximize IHG's perks. It also had favorable ratings on various online platforms, which influenced our decision. However, it's important to note a couple of downsides. There was a noticeable smell of smoke throughout the hotel, including in our room. We didn't complain since our stay was brief, but it did make it somewhat challenging to sleep. The hotel, especially the room, could benefit from some renovation, but as of the date of this recording, we read in their website that certain parts of the hotel were already under renovation. In summary, we do recommend this place and have provided our ratings for different aspects in the on-screen category. Now, a few quick tips. Uber will be a good friend of yours, and consider using Google Translate to communicate your location to the driver. At times, the license plates are mostly in Arabic, which can be challenging for some tourists. Also, use designated and specific pickup and drop-off points. If you're sensitive to smoke, like us, kindly inform the front desk and they may be able to assist. Applying for an IHG membership can offer you great perks and rates at their hotels worldwide. You can find information on how to become a member and to book the hotel in the description box below. My question to you watching this video, would you consider visiting Egypt yourself? If so, does this hotel seem like a potential place for you to stay? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section, and if you have questions, we'll do our best to answer them for you. For now, we thank you sincerely for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to subscribe. We strive to provide helpful travel information and content. Once again, we are The Journey King, your passport to adventure. Remember, work hard and travel harder. See you in our next video. Bye!